Ramen Auru in the crow's nest. The girl's number's just been called, so they're going to bring it to the table themselves, and then you have to return your empty bowl and wipe the table as well. Everything's self-service. So clever. Oh, sorry. I would have done it, sorry. They were like, we'll do it. I was like, okay. Which one is mummy's?
This one's yours.
This one? Which
Yeah.
one is the hardest?
This one's the hardest.
Look at my camera's so hot. And yours are. Alright. This is the full fat and firm noodles. That's some good soup. It is nice and thick like Hokkaido. And the girls had rich, half medium. Now they are going to do their jobs. They are taking all their dishes back to the return station. And then you have to wipe the table too. Isn't it great? You pay to clean up for them. You've got to wipe the table. Now they're fighting over wiping the table even. All right, half each. Why don't you fight over wiping the table at home? Exactly. Only when you pay to wipe the table.